Alright, today we're going to play the Sharper Image Reality Laser Game. This is Bluetooth to your phone and you have things flying and targets and stuff. You just point them and shoot it. It's a virtual reality game. There it is, the box. Augmented Reality Laser Game, it says. There it is. See your orange holder for your phone on top. Let's open it up. Here's our instructions, shows you where to put the phone, some of the games. Right there. Scan that and it'll download your app. It's free. Here's your gun. First time to try this, so let's see what it does. There's your trigger. Let's mount our phone up here now. You gotta have your Bluetooth going on your phone. It'll recognize your gun. There's my Bluetooth. Oops. Clear that. Make sure my Bluetooth's on. Put that phone in there good. Let's see. There's your gun at the bottom. Give it a couple seconds here. It says it's pairing. Let's see what it does. First time I've tried this. Just got the game. Looks really interesting. Let's back out now. Okay, there's your app that we loaded. It says to hold down your trigger for about 3 seconds. See it trying to load that gun there at the bottom? I hear the music going. Must be getting close. There's the games. I think there's 21 games here. Look at there. Oh, that loaded right off. Let's see what it does here. Okay. Start the game. See what we do. See how you move? It's virtual reality. Shoot them little gophers. Pow, pow. That's not a bad little game, you know, for $10. And the app was free. My light kind of reflecting there, isn't it? Uh-oh, it kicked us out. Let's load the app again. Not a good sign. Loading the gun. I hear the music. There we go. Let's shoot some more of them. Let's go look at the other games. Space games, army games. There's a hunting game on the end, right next to the end. Let's see what that does. How's it going to load? I guess it's not going to load. Try this one. Sniper game, I think it is. That don't appear to be loading either. Hunting game again. Evidently this app works with different guns because they're across the top there. That just doesn't seem to load, does it? What's a tank game? Oh, that loads. Look at there. See what we can do here. Here's a quick start. Let's do that. There we go. Don't seem to be moving much, does it? Gotta figure out what we're doing here. There's your fire. I didn't seem to get the tank to move yet. Can't back out of it like you do on the phone stuff. If we go home, what happens? Oh, it kicks us out of the app. Don't want to do that. We'll load that app again. Now we're back to the tank. I know what that green thing is. Oh, the tank moves. Look at there. That's how you control the tank. You move it there. See how your controls are? Because I'm not sure what we're shooting at here. Haven't seen anything to shoot at, whether a tree or a mountain. Let's just drive around a little bit and see. Still nothing. Guess there's no enemy. We'll drive over the hill here and see what we can do. Whoa, look at it jump. Ow. Jumps again. Look at that. Whoa. Nobody's shooting back at me. Drive it a little bit more here. Look at it jump. Airborne. Pow. Whoa, almost turned over, didn't it? Whoop. Up against a tree, I guess. Let's see if we can get out of here. Yeah, here we go. How do you get out of this game now? Fire's good. Just don't know how to get out of the game yet. Oh, there's an arrow up there. Let's see what that does. There, it took us back to the front of the game. There's another arrow up there. Do you want to quit the game? Yes. Looks like it may take us back to the opening of the... There we go. Other games. Is this a ship game? Looks like maybe. Some of these games just don't load. I guess though for $10 and the app is free, maybe they'll get it working. Let's go back to the shoot the gophers. That kicked us out again. I guess it's not such a bad deal. The gun was only $10 and the app was free. I'm going to see if I can get some more of those games to work, so we will see you next time.